How to sign in to your Pinterest account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Pinterest account. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your Pinterest application. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your Pinterest application. So once you install it, simply click on open it, and then you will be redirected to this page where you will have to enter your email address. So let me just do it. So once I enter my Gmail, simply click on continue and just create your password. Make sure it's a strong one and just click on next. And once you click on next, it will ask you to enter your full name and just click on next, and it will ask you to enter your date of birth. So simply your date of birth just like this, and simply click on next. And once you enter your date of birth, simply click on your gender and your location or particular region, and then it will ask you about your top 5 niche which you like on your home feed. So let me just select any 5 of them, and there you go. That's exactly how you can easily successfully create your account on your Pinterest application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.